What if the most powerful technology in the world wasn't controlled by a few giants, but by everyone? I know, it sounds dramatic, it sounds like the beginning of a sci-fi thriller. But this one, it's real. We're on the cusp of a massive shift where advanced AI isn't just for big tech anymore. It's becoming a universal tool, something you, me, your neighbor's genius teenager can use to build the future. Today we're talking open source AI and why it's the most exciting, empowering, slightly chaotic, and very real revolution happening right now. And yes, I brought snacks, because we're going to feed our brains. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly how open source AI went from niche to everywhere, why it's leveling the playing field for creators and tiny teams, and how it's already reshaping healthcare, education, and the arts. You'll also know how to jump in today, even if you don't consider yourself a coder. Sip your tea, let's go. Okay, quick history snack. Once upon a time, AI was like a velvet rope club. Big models, big money, big doors, very much closed. Then came the plot twist, open source AI. Community-driven models like DeepSeek, Llama, and Mistral changed the vibe completely. Suddenly the code, the weights, the how-to, none of it was locked in a vault or hidden behind pay-to-peak walls. It was simply out there. Accessibility exploded. Now you can run surprisingly capable models on a decent laptop or spin them up in the cloud without melting your credit card. Remix culture took over, with people not only using models, but fine-tuning them, sharing them, fixing them, and making them weirder, smarter, and faster. And when thousands of curious minds squash bugs together, progress doesn't tiptoe, it sprints. It's like the internet discovered a new hobby, except the hobby is building the future. Here's your quick model cheat sheet so you pick the right tool for the job. DeepSeek is your go-to for coding and long-form content. It's great at writing programs, debugging code, and creating lengthy articles, stories, or reports. Llama is the best choice for general writing and creative tasks. It's fantastic for brainstorming ideas, writing emails, crafting social media posts, and creative storytelling. Mistral is the speedster, perfect for quick answers and efficient tasks. It's your best bet for fast summaries, translations, and getting straightforward answers without draining your computer's battery or processing power.
Connecting indie developers, classrooms, and clinics across the globe.
Here's the tea: power used to sit with whoever could afford the biggest servers and the fanciest PhDs. Now a two-person team in Nairobi, a college club in Manila, or an artist in Sao Paulo can grab the same foundational tools and start creating. That shift doesn't just feel fair, it's stabilizing. More perspectives are guiding the technology, which helps reduce bias. Local people build local solutions because they actually know what their communities need. Iteration gets faster when you don't have to ask a gatekeeper for permission. You can feel it everywhere. A rural clinic fine-tunes an open model to triage health questions in a local language. A teacher prototypes an offline tutor for students with shaky internet. An indie journalist transcribes interviews and maps misinformation patterns with open tools. This isn't about replacing big, it's about multiplying possible. Open source AI keeps popping up in the most unexpected places. In healthcare, speech models inspired by Whisper help with screenings, while open imaging tools assist radiologists and triage chatbots adapt to regional dialects. In education, personalized study plans, auto-generated practice sets, and instant writing feedback appear, even when the school budget says, LOL no. In creative industries, open image models upended visual art pipelines, musicians prototype sounds with generative tools, filmmakers storyboard faster, and writers brainstorm characters with tone-locked prompts. The magic is in the niches. A boutique vineyard uses a tiny vision model to catch vine disease early. A legal aid nonprofit crafts a jurisdiction-aware assistant to help with forms. Communities fine-tune localized AIs that actually understand their dialects, customs, and context, because the people who live there train them. It's giving DIY moonshot. Open source isn't just a shelf of free stuff, it's a living, breathing community. People file issues, fix them, write documentation, record tutorials, debate ethics, and occasionally argue about commas in code comments. That many eyes energy makes systems more secure and more robust. Bugs surface quickly and patches land even faster. And the learning is public. Reading a good issue thread is basically a mini masterclass in how real systems are built and maintained. There's a career plot twist here too. Contributing to open AI projects becomes your portfolio. You don't just claim you can build, you can show it. You pick up real-world patterns like data pipelines, evaluations, safety checks, and deployment. And maybe most importantly, you find your people, collaborators, mentors, even job leads. You don't need to be a 10 times coder to matter. Great documentation, clear tutorials, dataset curation, and hands-on testing are all power moves that lift the whole community. If you're feeling that itch, okay, but where do I start? Start simple and start today. Choose a model that matches your curiosity. Try DeepSeek when you're coding or drafting long-form pieces. Reach for Llama when you need versatile general writing and creative brainstorming. Grab Mistral when you want something fast, efficient, and to the point. Test them in low-friction playgrounds like Hugging Face Spaces or beginner-friendly notebooks, and learn the knobs, prompts, temperature, context windows, and when to choose fine-tuning, LoRa, or RAG. Then build one tiny thing. Maybe it's a study buddy for your next exam, a visual style generator for your art, or a helper that speaks your community's dialect. Share your work with a human-friendly README, add a short demo video, ask for feedback, and iterate. Explore open model hubs and GitHub repos, hop into community forums and discords for the tools you're using, and don't skip the ethics. Check data provenance, run bias evaluations, and read model cards to understand strengths and limits. You are not late, the door is wide open. This revolution needs builders, writers, testers, teachers, people who care. The future of AI isn't a closed-off club, it's a community potluck. Bring your secret recipe, share it, remix someone else's, and let's democratize innovation together. If you make something after this video, comment. I want to see it. See you in the next one. Bye.